Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler August 2020 box. Just a little bit about these boxes if you aren't familiar with them. It's a monthly subscription program offered by Fat Quarter Shop. You pay a monthly fee and you are surprised each month with what arrives, but the products are always wonderful. There is always a fabric included and some notions, patterns, and it just varies month to month. Now, there might be a wait list at this time. Sometimes you can just go in and sign up, but sometimes you have to be put on a wait list, and they will contact you when they have a space available. So it's a really popular program, and I will link all that information in the description below. And now we're just going to get started, and we're going to see what's in this month's box. Okay, I'm always so excited to open the box and see what's inside. And so let's just get started with this unboxing. This month's box, the August 2020 box, is called Rise and Shine. Okay. Oh, this is going to be great. This is a rotating cutting mat, and I have one, but I do not have one this size. I actually just want to take this out right away. Oh, it's awesome. I love this small size. It's a Kimberly Cuts product, and there are even some measuring lines on there, but it rotates. Awesome. This would be great to take for a retreat if you're sewing at just a workstation, or you're taking a class, or even just to keep right by your sewing machine in your sewing room. Okay, there's a Crazy Daisy quilt pattern. Really fun. And it features, obviously, it must use 2 charm packs of this Backyard Blooms collection by Allison Harris. You might know Allison. Her blog is called Cluck Cluck Sew, and she is the one who has invented that very useful diagonal seam tape that I've done a video with, and I use it all the time. And she also designs fabric and has great patterns and a really fun blog. So just really fun. Oh, the chickens, the flowers. I saw some cute geometrics in there, and even some text prints. So 2 charm packs, I'm guessing, will probably make one of the size options for this quilt pattern that they included. And really fun fabrics. This crazy quilt paper is also used for the quilt pattern that they've included. So it's for the star portions of the blocks. So just a really, really fun. You have everything you need to make that quilt. Also included this month are some Quilting Betweens needles. And betweens are a good size. The eye is not too big and not too small. And there's several different lengths in there. So that will be nice depending on what you're using it for. So there's the shorter needles. But yeah, some of them are a little bit longer, so that would be nice to have a variety of sizes. And this is the hint, just a little pamphlet that they give you every month that explains about all the products. And then finally, the Greatest Hits album card is included as well. So another great box from Fat Quarter Shop, and it's fun to have Allison's fabric included. I hope you enjoyed seeing the unboxing of the Sew Sampler August 2020 box. This was a fun box with some fun fabrics, some paper to try a new block technique out, needles, and I think my favorite product though might be this small rotating mat. I think it's just going to come in so useful. I'll link the products included in today's box in the description below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and thanks so much for stopping by.